This tiny PC costs less than a budget laptop, but can it actually replace your desktop, or is it just another internet disappointment? Let's find out. Meet the KOOFORWAY X6 Mini PC, a palm-sized computer designed for everyday work, streaming, web browsing, office tasks, and even some light gaming. Despite its compact size, it packs modern hardware, supports dual displays, uses SSD storage for fast boot times, and consumes much less power than a traditional desktop. But here's the catch. KOOFORWAY isn't a well-known brand, and there aren't many independent long-term reviews online. That doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it does mean you should be extra careful. The safest option is buying through trusted marketplaces with solid return policies rather than unfamiliar websites. For basic productivity, media streaming, and home office use, the X6 could offer impressive value. Just don't expect it to replace a high-end gaming PC or professional workstation. So, is the KOOFORWAY X6 Mini PC worth it? If you want an affordable, space-saving computer for everyday tasks, it looks promising, but buy smart and check real customer reviews before spending your money. Would you trust this tiny PC? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews.